Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a different workout. This is a workout with weights for strength training. Before I start my day, usually I like to take a packet of reserve. I think if you watch my previous videos, I have also shared with you that this is the only supplement that I take. It consists of all the superfruits like your blueberries, acai, pomegranate, and etc. I'll put a link down below where you can check out the different ingredients that goes into this packet of fruit blend. And I think the most important ingredient they have is resveratrol, which they have extracted from 32 bottles of red wine. So it's packed with antioxidants that can help you to fight free radicals and helps to delay signs of aging, like your fine line, sagging skin. It has worked very well for me. So I hope you also check out the product. The link will be put down in my description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with the workout. We'll start with a warm-up. For this workout, I'll be using 2 kg dumbbells. For the ladies, ideally 1.5 kg is actually good enough. For the men, you can go up anywhere from 3 kg and above. For the first set, we are going to do burpee, bicep curl, and overhead pressed, 12 repetitions. Second exercise in the first set, back roll 12 times. When you're done, repeat the first round of exercises. For the second set of exercises, we'll start with alternating side lunges. For the second exercise in the second set is plank star. As you can see, it's difficult to balance yourself when the weights are quite heavy. So for the ladies, actually 1.5 kg is good enough. We'll end off the second set of exercises with cardio mountain climbers. When that is done, repeat the second set of exercises all over again. For the third set of exercise, we are doing squat, reverse lunge, and press up 12 times. Now switch to the other side and repeat 12 times. Next exercise in the third set is tuck jump, 12 times. The last exercise in the third set is roll up 12 times. When that is done, repeat the third set of exercises all over again. For the fourth set of exercise, we are going to do plank Spider-Man 12 times. The next move is pop squat 12 times. The third exercise in the fourth set is side oblique. Change side and repeat 12 times. When that is done, repeat the fourth set of exercises one more time. The fifth set of exercises, we are going to start with the Russian twist 12 times. Next is the draw-in crunch 12 times. The third exercise in the fifth set is bicycle kick 12 times. The fourth exercise in the set is side twist 12 times. When that is done, repeat the fifth set of exercises one more time. And for the last exercise, we'll do leg raise 12 times. Just for the last stretch, hold your position for 12 seconds. And we are done. Let's do some cool down stretches. So we are done for the day. For update on new videos weekly, do click subscribe below. And as usual, thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out other videos on my channel before you go. See you soon.